Always ganun ang ginagawa. Because he said, I need to train myself. Even in ordinary time, I need to live an extraordinary life. Para pag dumating yung panahon na talagang kailangan mag-suffer, nag-train na siya. So, mayroon siyang ganun na pag-iisip. No? Si Father Moon. And then, the path to restore fallen humankind. First, he has to walk the path of extreme trials facing humankind. Without passing through this, he could not save humanity from its suffering. In order for any human being who wanted to save humanity, dapat willing siya na mag-suffer. No? That's why, sabi nito, through his indemnity, he could gain victory over the worst trials that even God cannot intervene. That's why he lived a life full of suffering, tribulation, and sacrifice for others. This is the only way to restore fallen humankind. That person who wanted to save humankind must go through the most difficult suffering path. Yung pinakamahirap na magsubok dapat pagdaanan. No? Otherwise, Satan will accuse. Hindi sa papaya ko. Kung sino-sino na lang, basta na lang kakayo na gusto i-save lahat, no? Dapat mahirap. No? So,